Just like with cooking, when you're done making soap, it's time to clean up. And to save on paper products, I use old rags to wipe out my batter bowl, my pitchers, my utensils, as I don't like these fresh soap batter or melted oils going into my drains and down my septic, nor do I want the rags with all the fresh soap on it to go into my washing machine. So I simply put everything away. I wait 24 hours and I come back the next day when everything is saponified into soap, and I wash dishes as I normally would. So here we are the next day, and let's wash some dishes.